Hi, welcome to Synpromics. We're a synthetic biology company based in Edinburgh in the UK, and what we do is create synthetic promoters for custom designed expression of genes. So the promoters that we design allow the control of genes in a specific time, a specific environment, and response to specific conditions. So basically why we need to do that is, if you think about biotechnology as being the commercialization of gene products, you need a means to control those genes. And the promoters that have been used up until now have been based on natural sequences which have evolved over millennia to control genes under physiological conditions. And those promoters are not well suited for industrial scale processes. So what we do is make synthetic promoters that are designed to control genes in those industrial cell processes or for therapeutic applications. So synthetic promoters have been in the scientific domain for the last 2 to 3 decades. Basically what they are bits of natural promoters that have been spliced together in a new sequence or a unique sequence, which actually controls genes in a much more specific and stronger fashion. So over the past 2 decades, there's been a number of studies that have described that in different organisms, from human cells to yeast to plants, this general approach. And what they normally do is take genes that are 5 or 6 genes which are known to be specific to a certain condition, and then splice the component parts of those promoters to create these new unique sequences. So what we do, which is different to that in Synpromics, is we look at a cell's gene expression profile. So we use functional genomics and bioinformatics approaches in order to improve the efficiency of that process. So what we do is we build libraries of these synthetic promoters and then screen them in order to identify candidates. And we're one of the only companies that has IP around that mechanism or a method to actually design and construct synthetic promoters in that way. So it's not an arbitrary approach, it's a very rational and selective approach. So along those lines, we've recently signed a collaboration with UniQure in order to develop promoters for adeno-associated viruses. And that's a really exciting project for us because UniQure are the global leader in gene therapy. They're the only company in the world with an approved gene therapy at present.
I know you never had money sense, like just enough to cover it.